Hey, how is it going? In this one, I want to show you guys how to access emails by simply using Siri. Now, here we go. Hey, Siri, show me emails from Apple. Show me emails that have receipts from Apple. Show me emails with my itinerary. Show me emails from Google Gemini. Show me emails from VFW. So as you guys can see, it is very much possible to access your emails using Siri, and Siri actually does a very, very good job while doing this, and it can actually be quite specific. So anyway, catch you guys later. Bye.